Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. This video, I am so excited. I am going to be sharing with you guys what I got inside my August 2020 Glossybox, aka the birthday box. Firstly, oh my god, that packaging, is that not unbelievable? Like, just close up of that. Absolutely stunning, like girly, gorgeous, flamboyant but glamorous. Like, I love it. It's so OTT and it is so bloody me. Now if you want to see what I got inside my Glossybox, please go ahead and just keep on watching. So first things first, when we open up this box, this is too much. This is the birthday edition leaflet, and with this we find out all about the things that are within our beautiful glossy box. And do we have a sneak peek? I don't want to open it yet. I'm just going to pop that to one side, and then I can see some stuff popping out down here. We have this gorgeous black tissue paper with a beautiful little pink Glossybox logo. One thing I must say, Glossybox really do just go above and beyond with their packaging. I'm just going to take these out the box. Then we also have this gorgeous bright pink, like crinkly paper. Now I keep stuff like this because I am a sucker for gift bags and gift boxes for birthdays and Christmases, so I always keep these things that come in the subscription boxes and pop them to one side just because they're really handy to have in. First things first, within the box we have the Glossybox skincare. Now this is something, I don't believe they've launched it just yet. Maybe they have by the time this video goes up, but they are launching a Glossybox skincare range. It looks like we got the Eye Boost cream, and it says reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Packaging is just everything we would expect from Glossybox. It's super girly, super feminine, just super subtle with this beautiful baby pink and black detailing. Again, with the actual product, this packaging is just beautiful, isn't it? It's absolutely gorgeous. You will have to ignore my chipped nail varnish, by the way. I am getting my nails done on Saturday. Do not hold a grudge against me. But yeah, this is just absolutely gorgeous and I can't wait to try this out. I wonder if it's scented. I love that applicator. See, just kind of like that fine nib. I love that. I hate it when you've got to dunk your fingers into an eye cream. There's a very, very subtle scent, barely noticeable. It's just I'm looking for a scent. Just barely there. To be honest, it just smells like skincare. That's the only way I can explain it. So at least I know this should be fine for me. I do have sensitive skin, so anything strongly scented really does break me out, but this smells like it will be fine for my sensitive skin. So it says proudly introducing the luscious eye cream from our newly launched Glossybox skincare range. More on that in this magazine. You're the first to try this product and it's our special gift to you. Its indulgent formula blends elderflower, eyebright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and refresh tired looking eyes. We hope you love it as much as we do. Now that sounds like something I need. Sorry, I thought there was a spider on the ceiling, but there's not. False alarm. That sounds like something I need. I suffer so bad with heavy under eyes, like dark circles. I just get bags all the time and it drives me absolutely crazy. So I am definitely super duper duper interested in trying that out and seeing how I get on with it. I run out of my eye cream that I was using and I switched it up recently and it doesn't seem to be doing what I want from an eye cream, so it'll be really interesting to give that one a go. The next product that we have is this Brushworks HD Wonder Complexion sponge. It looks like it's going to be a nice pink colour. Now I was actually just saying the other day, I've not used a sponge in the longest time. Now I used to be somebody who would put my foundation on with a brush and then, just to make sure it was as natural looking as it could be, I used to pat over it with a dampened beauty sponge. Now, for whatever reason, I stopped using them. I really don't know why. I just got super into brushwork. And I was saying the other day, I can't remember what my makeup was like when I did use a sponge. So I was actually going to pick up a new sponge just to start trying to use it again. and seeing if it made my skin as flawless and as nice and natural looking as I can remember. So this comes in really handy because this actually saves me going to pick one up. It's just this nice pink colour. There's not much to say about it, to be honest. It's just a beauty sponge. They all do the same thing in my opinion. Some are more firm than others, some are squishier than others, but the true test, it feels nice and soft, but not too soft. It's got some spring back to it. But the true test is going to be when it's dampened and trying it on the face. Sometimes you can get ones and it feels like someone's just pounding your face with a brick, but then others are gorgeous on the skin, so we'll just have to see how this performs. So it says, to celebrate our birthday, we're giving you the tools to create the ultimate party look. A 3-in-1 makeup sponge, perfect for applying foundation, concealer and contour, and highlighter. You can use the rounded side to cover large areas and the flat side to cover imperfections, and the tip to reach smaller areas with precision. Simply dampen to apply liquids or use dry to apply creams and powders. I've never thought of that, to be honest. I've never applied creams and powders with a sponge. It was only ever foundation for me, so that is a handy little tip to have. And this retails for £5.49. So the next product that we have, people rave about this, and honestly I have to say I've never tried this brand. This is Molten Brown, and this is the Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. Does it say what size this is? This is a 100ml bottle. Now let's see what this smells like. I should show you it first. The packaging's just really classic, really nice, and it has this beautiful pink colour. Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells unreal. Guys, I'm going to be honest, I love that. Oh my god, it's like elegant but fruity. I love sweet smells, and that's really sweet. The rhubarb makes it gorgeous and sweet, but then the rose also adds this subtle undertone to it, but makes it a little bit more elegant and tones the sweetness down. That's unreal. That is absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to get a bath with that. Now it says, we want you to feel like royalty on our birthday. British Royal Warrant Holders Molten Brown's Indulgent Shower Gel boasts a luscious blend of rhubarb leaf, rose and zesty grapefruit that smells divine. That, huns, it does. I can back them up, it does. Trust us, this luxurious formula will leave your skin feeling cleansed and irresistibly fragrance. Yeah, like strong fragrance, but gorgeous, like amazing. Apply onto wet skin using a loofah or pour into a warm bath and enjoy a relaxing soak. That's exactly how I'm going to use it. I'm going to put it in a bath for a bubbly bath, because we all love a bubbly bath over here. And we get the deluxe mini, which is 100ml, and 100ml of this retails for £7.33. Or if you do want to buy the full size, which is 300ml, it does retail for £22, which is expensive. That is expensive for a bubble bath when you're someone who shops in Superdrug. The next product that we have is by Steve Laurent. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Steve Laurent. I don't know how to say it. I feel like it could be a silent T, but I also feel like I could be absolutely butchering that name. Now, we see this brand a lot in beauty boxes. I've only been subscribed to beauty boxes for a month or two now, and I've had a couple of things from this brand already, if I can get this out. Now it looks like this is going to be a lip liner, which will be really nice. Could never have too many lip liners in my personal opinion. Now the lip liner that I got, packaging is gorgeous by the way, isn't it? Super simple, super nice. Mine is in the shade Vogue. I love this lip liner, but it's my mum's colour more than it's mine, and I think it would be mean if I didn't give it to her. I want to be happy because I love it, but I'm not, because I feel like it's going to get robbed from me in 2 minutes. This is how that looks. Let me just make it bigger. It is like that perfect mauvey berry shade. I love it. I actually love it. Mom! So it says, throughout our birthday month, we want you to enjoy yourself without having to worry about touching up your makeup. Luckily, this magical lip pencil is completely waterproof. Sorry, what? Okay, huns, now I'm wanting to give this to my mum less and less. So it doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day. Oh my god, so that's like perfect for going for a birthday meal or a birthday cocktail. I can't. Don't talk to me about this because it's hitting me right now. Instead, it stays put for 7 hours. Use it to shape and define your lip contour, then fill in your pout with a slightly lighter shade of lipstick. You want to swatch that? I swatched and thought that's the most mum shade I've ever seen.
So can I have it?
Well, do you like it or not it?
Yes.
What are your thoughts on it?
I will have it. Are you done?
No. You got your back?
No.
Baby, you want to say hello? Da? Is that to people? Say hello, YouTube. No? Guys, my dog just knocked the camera and it's probably not where it was. I don't know where it was. So this will have to do. Now that lip liner, I didn't even get to tell you, that was £12.09. Now the final product is the one that got me most excited. Like, I was just like, ah! As just now, it was, you may not have known, if you don't know, hey, hi, hello, it was National Lipstick Day a few weeks ago, and all of the sites did these crazy offers. So Huda did a buy one get one free on her lipsticks, and I almost bought these, but I am poor at the moment and I could not afford to, and I really wanted them because I've been dying to try them. So I died when I found out these were in this month's Glossybox. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick. I know, don't even talk to me about it. Can't even. And mine that I got is in the shade Game Changer. This is the one I got, and it still looks like a really gorgeous colour. So it is this gorgeous pink looking shade. It looks super wearable, to be honest. It's more of like it's quite muted while still being deep. This sounds crazy, doesn't it? This is how the colour looks. Now, I think it's really nice, and I actually think it's really wearable. It's quite a muted shade of pink, the way you can get really vibrant, over the top, crazy pinks. This definitely isn't one of those. It is more wearable. It wouldn't be a glossy party without Huda Beauty. Huns, it wouldn't be a damn party for anybody without Huda Beauty. She's where it's at. This creamy lippy boasts a luscious, highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of colour to your pout. I can't wait. It then dries to a satin finish, which is gorgeous. I love a satin finish. It kind of like gives a plumping effect, you know what I mean? It dries to the satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips that enhances their natural shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, then blot it with a tissue for a beautiful stained effect. And this on its own retails for £18. Mic drop right there with the Glossybox leaflet. So in this month's box, all in all, this come, if you were to buy this individually, for £62.91. We just got £62.91 of products for £10. Like, I'm sorry, what? £10 I just paid? I just literally got products for an extra £52.91. I can't even. For those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a subscription box that you can receive every single month. Now, Glossybox, if you were to buy a 1 month subscription, will cost you £13.25. If you are like me, I have purchased a 12-month subscription purely because it gets that price down a little bit. If you subscribe to the 12 months up front, it costs you £10 a month per box, which I just think is a steal because we always get really good products in these. Now, Glossybox tends to send us a mixed bag of items. We usually receive around 5 items in total. Now, that can be something from makeup to skincare to beauty products like sponges, makeup brushes. Sometimes we see face masks in here. It is just all things beauty inside of a Glossybox. That is why I absolutely love it. I really do hope that you did enjoy this video. I'm so happy with the products I got inside this box. In particular, obviously, I think everyone's favourite item this month will have been the Demi Matte Lipstick from Huda Beauty. I just can't wait to try this on. Like, it looks like it's going to be a really gorgeous shade. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, or if you like these types of unboxing videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can hit the one over here, you can hit the one below, or you can wait until the end of this video and hit the one in the form of my big face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.